Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to hide the path. For example, so if you're seeing this right, I have blocked something like example, I'm going to use the pen tool and I'm selecting the pick. If I want to change something, the color like so make selections. Yes, I'm going to fill this color. Example. Okay, now it's changed. Now I'm going to deselect it. But still, if you're choosing the selecting tool, right, you can still see this path actually. Okay. When you're giving printout, it will not be showing, but still you can see that the path. So if you want to hide the path, right, what you need to do is you can simply go to Windows and remove this path. I'm sorry. So in order to do that, right, hold Ctrl H or Command H on your keyboard if you're using an Apple. Ctrl H. So all will be gone. Ctrl H again, you can see the path. And if you want to delete a path, right, then also you can do it. So what you need to do is first go to Windows and go to select path. And here you can see this path sections here. So same thing, right? If you want to delete it, right, you can delete it. It's gone. Okay, and now I'm going to give Ctrl Z to bring back that path. So basically it's Ctrl H. Okay. So go to view and show. Here you can see this target path. Okay. And if you want to enable, also you can enable it here. Target path. Okay. So in order to, once you bring back, if you want to edit right existing one, you need to hold this control. Okay. First select the pen tool and hold this control tool. Hold control, then you can edit it. Even this one, you can edit it. That's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback from your folks. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.